On February 20th, 2025, PiNetwork achieved a significant milestone with the launch of its open Mainnet. This highly anticipated event marked a turning point for the project, transitioning it from a testing phase to a live, operational network. The launch generated immense excitement within the Pi community as users eagerly awaited the opportunity to utilize the network and potentially see the value of their mined Pi coins realized. The open mainnet launch represents a critical step towards PiNetwork's goal of creating a widely accessible and user-friendly digital currency. The open mainnet launch also signified the beginning of Pi coin's journey in the open market. For many, it was the first opportunity to track the coin's price and trading activity. The event garnered attention not only from the Pi community, but also from cryptocurrency enthusiasts and investors worldwide. The launch represented a bold experiment in blockchain technology and decentralized finance. However, alongside the excitement, the open mainnet launch also brought forth a new set of challenges and uncertainties. Price volatility, regulatory scrutiny, and the need for increased security measures became immediate priorities for both the Pi core team and the community. The launch of PiNetwork's open mainnet marked the beginning of a new chapter, filled with both potential and uncertainty. As the network evolves and adapts to the dynamics of the cryptocurrency market, it remains to be seen how Pi will navigate the challenges and capitalize on the opportunities that lie ahead. Immediately following the open mainnet launch, Pi coin experienced significant price volatility. Initial excitement and speculation drove the price above $1, creating a sense of euphoria among early supporters. However, this initial surge was short-lived. In the days and weeks following the launch, Pi's price experienced a sharp correction, dropping by 15% within a short period. This volatility highlighted the speculative nature of the cryptocurrency market, particularly for newly listed assets. As of April 22, 2025, Pi coin is consolidating around 82 cents, struggling to break past the 86-cent resistance level. The price has dropped nearly 50% in the 2 weeks leading up to this date. This downward trend can be attributed to various factors, including profit-taking by early investors, uncertainty surrounding the project's long-term viability, and the overall bearish sentiment prevailing in the cryptocurrency market. The initial price volatility served as a stark reminder of the risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies, especially those in their early stages. It also underscored the importance of conducting thorough research, understanding market dynamics, and exercising caution when participating in such volatile markets. One of the most significant developments following the open mainnet launch has been the listing of Pi coin on several cryptocurrency exchanges. These listings have provided Pi holders with increased liquidity and the ability to trade their coins on the open market. Currently, Pi is listed on OKX, MEXI, Gate.io, and BitGet, with the latter offering a futures market with 10 times leverage. These listings have been met with mixed reactions from the Pi community. While some celebrate the increased accessibility and trading opportunities, others express concerns about the choice of exchanges and the potential for market manipulation. The community has been actively pushing for listings on larger, more reputable exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase, Upbit, Bithumb, Kraken, and Gemini. They believe that securing listings on these platforms would bring greater legitimacy and exposure to Pi coin. Binance in particular has been a focal point of the community's efforts. The exchange even conducted a poll to gauge interest in listing Pi, indicating a willingness to consider the possibility. However, Binance has previously expressed reservations about listing Pi, citing concerns about the project's centralized nature and lack of transparency. Despite these challenges, the community remains optimistic about securing listings on major exchanges, believing it to be a key driver for future price appreciation. Understanding the supply and distribution of Pi coin is crucial for assessing its potential value and long-term prospects. Pi has a fixed maximum supply of 100 billion tokens. This limited supply is intended to create scarcity and potentially drive up the value of Pi over time. However, it's essential to consider the current circulating supply, which is significantly lower than the maximum supply. As of April 22, 2025, there are 9.7 billion Pi coins in circulation. This represents only a fraction of the total supply. The remaining tokens are allocated for various purposes, including 65% of the total supply is allocated to miners who contribute to the security and operation of the Pi network. 10% is earmarked for ecosystem growth, supporting the development of applications and services within the Pi network. 5% is designated for a liquidity pool, ensuring sufficient trading volume and price stability. 20% is allocated to the Pi core team for development, marketing, and operational expenses. The allocation of PI coins to the PI core team has been a subject of debate within the community. Some argue that the 20% allocation is excessive and raises concerns about centralization. They believe that a more decentralized distribution model would be more in line with the principles of cryptocurrency. Understanding the supply and distribution of PI coin is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Investors need to carefully consider the circulating supply, the allocation to different stakeholders, and the potential impact of these factors on the coin's future value. Now let's dive into the market challenges and competition that PiNetwork faces. With the rise of various cryptocurrencies, it's crucial to understand the competitive landscape. PiNetwork must navigate through these challenges to establish itself as a viable option. Competition is fierce, and only time will tell how PiNetwork will adapt and thrive. So, yeah, it's definitely an exciting space to watch. Let's delve into the technical analysis and indicators that are shaping the current landscape of PiNetwork. Understanding these elements can provide valuable insights into market trends and potential future movements. From moving averages to relative strength index, each indicator plays a crucial role in painting a comprehensive picture of PiCoin's technical standing. Now, let's explore the community sentiment and future expectations surrounding PiNetwork. The community's outlook can significantly influence the network's trajectory. Enthusiasts and skeptics alike contribute to the evolving narrative, offering a range of perspectives on what the future might hold. It's this collective sentiment that often drives momentum and innovation within the PiNetwork ecosystem. It's essential to address the risks and considerations for PiCoin holders. Like any investment, PiCoin comes with its own set of challenges and uncertainties. From regulatory scrutiny to market volatility, understanding these risks can help holders make informed decisions. Being aware of potential pitfalls is crucial for navigating the dynamic landscape of cryptocurrency. Finally, let's look ahead to the future of PiNetwork. The road ahead is filled with possibilities and potential milestones. As the network continues to evolve, it will be interesting to see how technological advancements and community engagement shape its journey. The future of PiNetwork is a topic of great anticipation, and only time will reveal its true path.